Aakrit Subedi, and I'm really excited to let you know the new version of BCTNotes is live now. I will walk you through the updated version of BCTNotes. Let me log in with my Google account real quick. I'll select my Google email. It's not about the aesthetic improvement or the design changes that you see in the screen, or some added functionality to the old code base. We rewrote the entire code base for both backend and frontend application. We updated the tech stack that we were using, the framework that we were using. We also updated the server and migrated to AWS infrastructures. All the files are now encrypted and stored in AWS S3. We updated to the Postgres database server. The application communicates with tons of third-party services to enhance the functionality of the application. We are currently working on the client-side mobile application, which will be live soon. The notes are still organized in a similar fashion, categorized by semesters. The list of all updated question banks, 5th semester, 8th semester, and a separate section for elective subjects. We have added a recently accessed section at the right so that you can continue from where we left. Something that's different here is that we have introduced a ranking algorithm that uses the various matrices and rank the note. So you can simply express whether you like the note or not by the upvote or downvote button over there. You can add a notes to the favorite. All the notes, favorite notes are separated out in a favorite section. You can filter it out. Yeah, the note supports video format too. Let me filter out. I don't have that, so let me Dr. Access. So lecture slide by Dr. Subedi sir. So I can click and preview the slides. I can toggle between the different lecture note over here directly. So let me go back to the notes section now and add some of the upvotes, add this lecture to the favorites. So lecture slides and CN. I can simply filter out that because this is one of my favorite notes. I'll add this to the favorite. Filter out the favorite notes by because access the chapter note directly in a file preview. We removed all the unnecessary clutters and updated with some of the required functionalities like building a resume with us discussion. The Discord server is quite empty now. I'm inviting you, all of you, to join the Discord server to maintain a community of computer engineering students. So we replaced the simple search bar with AI-powered search bar, which has capable of answering your computer engineering problems, programming, and others. You should definitely try asking. This is simple chat history of mine. So let me ask a simple questions like adding a two matrices. This will explain me a code. This will give me a code output in C++ language. How to add to number in Python. A simple program over here. You should definitely try it on your own. We have a separate profile section where you can customize the semester that you are reading so that, let me change it to 8, save changes, and go back to home page, and I can directly access the 8th semester note from here. So one more time, let me go to 7th semester, save changes. Now 7th semester notes over here. Organization management, ES, distributed system. Some of the important video recommendation from different channels on YouTube. Right, the favorite section that I've already covered. A detailed tabulated syllabus of computer engineering for all semesters. Yeah, student can also share the notes online. So there are tons of new features that we have introduced in version 2, and there are tons in our pipeline. So all the points and coins will make sense after a few future releases. We'll be working on that. So let me know which is one of your favorite feature in a comment section below, and any suggestions that you have and would like to introduce in the platform also. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.